All right, so here we're looking at the general equation for the combustion reaction of alkanes. The general equation for the combustion reaction of alkanes. So combustion reaction of alkanes is reaction of alkane with oxygen to give you water and carbon dioxide. All right, so this is the general equation for the combustion reaction of the alkanes. All right, so when an alkane reacts with oxygen, water and carbon dioxide is formed. All right, so the question that I have here is to write a balanced chemical equation for the combustion reaction of ethane. Write a balanced chemical equation for the combustion reaction of what? Of ethane. So ethane is C2H6. All right, it is the second member of the alkane series. So in this ethane, when I compare with this hydrocarbon that is here, all right, when I compare it with this alkane that is here, my x will be 2 and my y will be equal to what? 6. So comparing this ethane with this alkane that is here, my x will be equal to 2 and my y will be equal to what? 6. X is equal to 2, all right, y is equal to what? 6. So the next thing I will do is to put in the values. Wherever I see x, I will put 2 there. Wherever I see y, I will put the value of y there, which is 6. So the equation is CXHY. So CX, my x is what? 2. H what? HY. And my y is what? 6. Plus x. My x is what? 2. So that will be 2 plus y over 4. My y is what? My y is 6, alright? 6 over 4 O2 to give us y over 2 H2O, right? So my y is what? 6. So that's 6 over 2 H2O plus XCO2. And my x is what? 2. So that was plus 2CO2, alright? So the next thing I will do is to evaluate. So here I have this fraction 2 plus 6 all over 4. So if I evaluate that, 2 plus 6 over 4, this is like the same thing as 2 all over 1. So the next thing I will do to evaluate the fraction, I will find the LCM of 4 and 1. And the LCM will give me what? The LCM will be 4. So 4 divided by 1, 4 divided by 1 will give me 4 times 2 will give me 8 plus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 6 is what? 6. So 8 plus 6 will give me what? 14 over 4. 2 here is 7, 2 here is 2. So that's equal to 7 all over what? All over 2. Alright, that's equal to 7 all over 2. So what I now have is C2H6 plus, I've resolved this fraction to what? 7 all over 2O2. Alright, I solved this fraction and I got 7 all over 2O2. And that will give me 6 divided by 2 is what? 3H2O plus 2CO2. Alright, so it is wrong for us to leave our expression like this in fraction. So to eradicate this fraction, what I will do is to multiply everything by 2. Alright, I will multiply everything by 2. So if I multiply everything by 2, C2H6 times 2 will be 2C2H6, alright, plus 2 times 7 all over 2. 7 all over 2 times 2, alright, will be equal to, this 2 will cancel out this 2. So what I have left is what? 7. So this will be 7O2 to give me 2 times 3 here will give me 6H2O plus 2 times 2CO2 here will give me 4CO2. This is the balanced chemical equation for the combustion reaction of what? Of ethane. So in this reaction, in this equation, you have 2 times 2 will give you 4. So you have 4 carbon here and you have 4 carbon here, alright? So that's balanced. Then hydrogen, 2 times 6 will give us what? 12. So you have 12 hydrogen. 6 times 2 will give you 12. So you have 12 hydrogen here. 12, 12. So that's balanced. Then you have 14 oxygen here. 7 times 2 will give you 14. So yeah, there are 14 oxygen atom here. You have 6 oxygen here. So 6 oxygen here. Alright. Then you have 4 times 2 oxygen here. 4 times 2 will give you 8. So 6 oxygen that is here in this water plus 8 oxygen that is here in this carbon 4 that will give you 14 oxygen. So here you have 14 oxygen here as well. 7 times 2 will give you 14. So 14, 14. So this is the balanced equation for the combustion reaction of what? Of ethane.